In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to file your taxes online for beginners using TurboTax. Filing taxes can seem daunting, especially if it's your first time, but don't worry. By the end of this tutorial, you'll have a much clearer understanding of how to navigate through TurboTax's interface and get your taxes filed with ease. So, let's dive in. First things first, you need to go to the TurboTax official website, open your web browser and type in turbotax.com, which will take you to their homepage where all the magic happens. Once you're there, look for the sign in button, usually at the top right corner of the page. Click on it to access your account, or create a new one if you haven't done this yet. Creating an account is straightforward, just follow the prompts and you'll be set up in no time. Now once you're signed in, you'll be directed to the tax homepage. This area is your main dashboard where you can see all your tax related activities and status for the year. It's like your personal command center. If you're using TurboTax for the first time, you'll be relieved to know that the layout is user friendly and intuitive. Next, you want to navigate to the TurboTax Free Edition 2024 if that suits your needs. For many people, the free edition is a great way to file simple tax returns without extra cost. Click on it and you'll be guided through some step-by-step questions that help TurboTax tailor its options specifically to your needs. This is a critical part because it ensures that all the necessary details are captured correctly, effectively minimizing errors. After that, you'll want to pay attention to the review/edit section. This is where you can take a closer look at all the information you've entered so far. Here, TurboTax will also scan for any discrepancies or possible deductions you might have missed. Be thorough, but don't worry too much. TurboTax does most of the heavy lifting for you by checking for accuracy along the way. Now let's move on to My Info. Clicking here takes you to the section where you need to verify personal data like your name, address and social security number. Ensure all your information is up to date and accurate to prevent any delays in processing your taxes. Finally, you should check your personal profile section. This includes more in-depth information about your financial situation, so make sure everything looks correct. If you're unsure about any information, TurboTax provides helpful tips and explanations directly within the platform. And there you have it. By following these simple steps, you can confidently file your taxes online with TurboTax, ensuring both accuracy and ease. Take it step by step, use the resources available, and you'll see just how manageable your taxes can be. Thanks for watching, and good luck with your filing.